Easy to follow steps for using SUPERSCRIPT and SUBSCRIPT in MS Word on your computer. SUPERSCRIPT and SUBSCRIPT allow you to type characters that appear above or below the normal text line. You can easily switch between SUPERSCRIPT, SUBSCRIPT, and normal text in Microsoft Word. SUPERSCRIPT. Select the text you want to turn into SUPERSCRIPT. You can also place your cursor where you want to start typing SUPERSCRIPT. Enable SUPERSCRIPT. Click the icon with letter X raised to 2 button in the font section of the Home tab. Your highlighted text will be converted to SUPERSCRIPT, or you can begin typing at the cursor's location to type in SUPERSCRIPT. Disable SUPERSCRIPT. Once you're done using SUPERSCRIPT, you can disable it by doing the same thing you did to enable it. This will return you to regular typing. Clear any SUPERSCRIPT or subscript. You can revert text to normal by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+space. Subscript. Select the text that you want to turn into subscript. You can also click to place your cursor where you want to start typing subscript. Enable subscript. There are several ways to enable subscript. Click the X2 button in the font group on the Home tab. Press Ctrl+=. After you're done using subscript, disable it the same way you turned it on. Clear any subscript or superscript. If you don't want text to be subscript or superscript anymore, you can select it all and press Ctrl+space. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.